guys, it's April. I just wanted to come on and do a quick tutorial for you on using labels, using your smart vinyl or your smart labels in the permanent vinyl with your permanent, they're the writable labels with the permanent cut. Hey guys, it's April. I just wanted to come on and talk to you a little bit about the smart labels for your Cricut Joy. And these are writable vinyl permanent labels, and we're going to be using the permanent markers on those. And the permanent markers come in the metallics, silver, gold, and black. You have the red, blue, and I'm trying to look at all my colors here. You have a silver, gold, a copper, black, and then if you're in the US, you have access to the red, blue, and green markers. But I've set this label up, and it's an editable image, so all you have to do is double click on it and change out April C to your name or whatever you want this to say. So I've got my Joy machine selected. I'm just going to hit Make It, and I am going to select my Cricut Smart Materials and confirm. And then I am going to apply some copies, and I'm just going to do 10. I think I can get 12 to a sheet, but I'm just going to do 10 for time purposes, and apply. And it needs at least 11 inches of material, and it's going to check that and make sure that I have enough material on that Joy machine when I get over there. So I'm just going to hit continue, and it's going to connect my Bluetooth up, and we're going to go over and load that mat. And after we select our materials, right here, you're going to select your Smart Vinyl Writable right here. That is the material that we're going to use, and it's asking me to load my red pen and load the material, and then coming up will be my fine point blade. Once it loads that material, we'll press go, and we will be creating our labels. So let's jump over to the overhead and take a look. Okay, here we are. I have my little Joy machine set up, and these are the smart labels with the writable permanent vinyl, and I am using the white right here. It says white. They come in black, white, and translucent. And I'm using the new permanent markers. Now the red, green, and blue set, I believe, are only available in the US. They may have already released these for Canada, but at the time that we got them, it was US only. But that you do have the permanent black, you have the silver, the gold, those, they will work fine too, but I am just using red today. The gold will be very pretty as well. Guys, if you don't have a Joy, this is fantastic for quick, easy projects. So I'm just going to take my blade out. I'm going to put in my red pen. Try not to mark up my machine. And it just sits there. You don't have to press it down on your Joy. And then we're just going to actually load the material under the guides, and it's going to take it from us. How cool is that? And it's checking the link, showing that on the screen, which it just did. And now we're going to go on the screen and select go. So let me show you that. Once it checks for the material link, right here, you have to press go. And let's go back over. And I'm going to let this write and do everything that it's going to do, because it's going to do 10 of them. And I'm going to speed through this, but you will be able to see everything. It's just going to be really fast. Okay, and so now our writing is done, and we're going to take that pen out. We're going to place our blade in, and we are going to click go over on the design space screen again, and we're going to let it cut our labels. Okay, and there we are. And once it's finished, we're just going to let it kick out. And on the screen, we're going to say unload. And I could have gotten 12 on here. I only did 10, but you can get 12 on there. It'll hold 2 more of those that size. So now I have my labels that I can put on my cards or my gifts. And I have a card here. This is one that we did a couple weeks ago. And I can put a label right there on the back. Made with love by April C. And of course you'll change it to yours. And here's one that I did, but I did not film this. This was a last minute project where I filled one of my tree boxes that I did for my supporters. And you can do a label just like this for neighbors' gifts. And then once you're ready to give it away, you can use your permanent marker and write who it's to and from on that label. But I went ahead and did it with the silver pen on the translucent. Very cute and pretty. Holds the box closed until they open it to get their candies. So there are lots of ways that you can use these labels, guys, other than just labeling boxes and bins. So have fun with it and grab that material. My links are down below. And show me what you're going to be doing with it. Have a great day. Happy crafting.